Hi there, it's Ryan G. Wright with Do Hard Money. And what I want to talk about is the different basic types of real estate investments. Okay, so you've got residential properties. So residential properties are going to include single family, duplex, threeplex, fourplex. Anytime you get over a fourplex, then you're getting into what we're going to call apartment complexes, multi-unit type stuff. And that could be anywhere from 5 units to 500 units or even more. Then you're going to have commercial property. And commercial property is broken down into different types of classifications. So you're going to have office, you're going to have industrial, you're going to have medical, you're going to have all these different types of commercial type properties. Then we get into like industrial, and that's where you're going to have like storage. Where you're going to have warehouse. Then we get into like retail. Retail space is where you've got somebody that's actually coming in to that specific property in a retail type space, like you're going to go to a Verizon wireless store, you're going to go somewhere like that. That's going to be a type of retail type setting where you're actually going in, a pharmacy, that type of stuff. And then we just deal with land, and land's going to be having to do with development. Land's going to have to do with lots that are already completed, those different types of things that you're going to be dealing with when it comes to land. Those are the different types of real estate investments that are out there. There's also storage units, which is going to fall into some of the investment type places, and you've got mobile home communities that are going to fall into those types of places. But that kind of gives you an overview of the different types of real estate investments that are out there. I think the easiest one to get started on is just simply a single family house. That's probably the easiest one to get started on when you're dealing with multifamily, when you're dealing with apartment complexes, when you're dealing with mobile homes complexes, when you're dealing with commercial or industrial. Those types of things usually take a lot more cash to get into and are more difficult to get started with. So if you've got not a ton of money and you're looking to get started, residential properties are probably the easiest to get started with. There's a whole lot of them, and there's a lot of opportunities that are out there, and especially with technology these days. One of the things we like to use is Investors Edge software. It's something you can check out. Just head on over to dohardmoney.com and you can check out the Investors Edge software as you're deciding which different types of real estate investment is something that you want to be interested in getting started with. Hope this is helpful. Make it a very profitable day.